अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला रसूलिहिल अमीन अम्मा बाद फ़क़द क़ाल अल्लाहु तबारक व तआला फ़िल क़ुरआनिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम क़ुल हुवल्लाहु अहद अल्लाहुस समद लम यलिद वलम यूलद वलम यकुल लहू कुफ़ुवन अहद। सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। The world we live in is very big. It is very beautiful. Allah made it. Allah made the heavens and the earth. Allah created the day. Allah created the night. Allah created the sun, the moon and the stars. He made the light to separate the night from the day. Allah sends down waters from the sky. It is Allah who made the waters below the heavens. It is Allah who created the plants and the fruit-bearing trees. Allah made the high hills and the deep valleys. He made the fish swim in the water. Allah made all kinds of animals and every kind of cattle. Allah made the mighty oceans and the rivers running by. He made the fish swim in the water. He made the birds that fly in the sky. Allah created man, both male and female, He created them. Have you ever seen a carpenter and a mason at work? A carpenter shapes the wood into different kinds of furniture. A mason knows how to make different types of houses out of cement and bricks. Does Allah need anything when He wants to make something? No, He creates it out of nothing. He speaks and is made. He orders and stands forth. This world did not make itself, Allah made it, and Allah is the creator of all things. We see and cannot see. Can we create such wonderful things by simply speaking? Nor can the angels do so, but to Allah everything is possible because He is powerful. We cannot create something from nothing, not even a toy or a great object. Allah is able to make anything out of nothing, and it takes no time. He speaks and is made. All praise is due to Allah alone. He is the sustainer of the worlds. Allah is merciful. Allah is merciful. He helps us in difficulties. We cannot count His favors. Here I conclude my speech. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
MashaAllah. This speaker presented his speech nicely and gave the best information concerning the topic. Now I am going